Yeah, so I bought this light at Goodwill, and it's not white, it's not red, man. That is like hot pink. It's just so I was gonna use it in a bee yard. It's just too much though. So yeah, I'm trying to kind of get this lab set up here. Three different labs really. So printing is going well. Actually, not a lot of waste. So I stole someone's model off Thingiverse, and it was just a block model for an HO train set. So I blew it up and hollowed it out and shaved it off. And originally, pretty cool. Originally, it's designed to be printed with a texture on the bottom as well. And then you glue these things on here, which makes it really cool. Okay. Now, this thing, again, is one solid model from this guy's original. Okay, so it's just a block. So I went into Tinkercad, hacked this thing up. So what I found, it just wasn't printing right. I got some spoils pieces, but the adhesion thing with getting the plastic to stick to your build surface is a whole nother thing. So, but it's going well. So this is the first one I printed with the 3-layer and made that footy a little bigger, trying to hold those corners down. And then it's not really the actual gift I'm working on, but I will give you a little spoiler. So the thingy that's in there, you see. Oh, might have seen it. So it's a little gift box. How about that?